morning, everybody. We have here one of these ever so standard West Marine bailing pumps. We've fixed this several times, but what happened this most recent time is, well, I think you can pretty plainly see it broke straight off. We've got our tools out and we'll be fixing it. So we've determined our plan. We're going to drill out the handle, and then after we drill out the handle, we're going to put one of our deck screws that we pulled out, one of the ones that's a little rusty, not the best looking, and then we're going to treat it like a stud.
It's actually too big.
I would probably recommend that we also stick some epoxy in there, do something to
give it better adhesion.
Well, we found a different screw to use. One of the ones that we have that's imminently replaceable. A little bit longer, basically the same thread pitch.
Okay, now let's cut it off with a Dremel.
That was a lot of cutting with a hacksaw.
That would have taken a while.
With that cut, now it's effectively, for our purposes, a stud. The next part of the plan is to tap this hole and put the two of them together, or try to screw them in as they are.
It's very loose. It's eventually just going to pull out.
So what do we do about that?
I think we mash it.
Here you go. Let's see if that solves the tightness problem.
This stuff's tougher than I thought. Yeah, that's going to work. That's gripping now.
Now, at least for the moment, we've got this fixed. That didn't work. The handle came off. Just kind of came off.
We're gonna have to epoxy it. Hey folks, like, subscribe, tell your friends. It really does help, and it helps the channel grow. It helps us get higher in the search engines, and if you do feel like you can, please donate and help us out on the journey and help us restore this boat. We have a Patreon link. We also have a PayPal link on our website. So we just picked up a strap wrench, and the strap is dry rotted. It just splits in two like that. I noticed it when I found a crack right here. So this probably won't work.